welcome back to my channel guys, and I am in Panama. I am going through a Panama canal and there is a crew party going on. I just want to show you how the crew party looks like from an open deck. So people are having Coke. So it's a free beers. You can see which brand of beer. Let's see. Or I don't think so. It's a beer. It's no beer.
No beer. No alcohol.
What is this?
Tonic water.
Indian tonic water. I don't want it.
What? They can switch it up.
So people are having, yeah, there's a food. So these are the food. She's making a burger. Scrambled eggs, tomatoes. There are some cookies, sweets. I don't need much of them. All different types of cookies. Cakes. There's some more snacks. He's the one of the best guy on board, Mark, and he's the second best guy. Say it in Hindi. Say it, man.
Kaise ho?
Say hello to India.
Hello.
India.
Hello, India.
There are some more foods. You can see people sitting out there, enjoying it, taking pictures, having a sip of tonic water. Last dance for me, please. 1, 2, 3, dance.
Dance.
Thank you. So well guys, if you enjoy my videos, please like my video, share my video and comment on my video. I will keep making such more videos. So please subscribe to my channel. And bye from Cruising with